Okay, this is this year's shallots. When it was time to plant them, our allotment wasn't really in a fit state for us to put them in the ground. It was far too wet and far too cold. So I put them in smallish pots about 2 or 3 weeks ago, and you can see they've started to sprout, and the ground down the allotment is now ready for them. You don't have to do this, of course, with shallots. If you go and buy shallots now, you can just plant them straight away. Of course, at the end of the season, you don't just end up with one bulb, you end up with maybe up to 5, 6, 7 or 8 bulbs of shallots. And there are lots of different varieties to choose from, so you might want to have a look at which particular one you wanted. So all I'm going to do is dig a hole, give the pot a tap, and in it goes. Just make sure that it's nice in the ground, and that's the first of this year's shallots. And I'll keep working my way down the bed, doing the same sort of thing all the way. There's the shallot, pop it out of the pot, make sure that there's no chance of any air pockets around it. I'm going to plant the shallots usually something like about a trowel's distance apart. I'm sure there must be some set distance, but that'll do me. They'll do well enough like that. So there's the first 2 of this year's shallots planted, and in about another 40 minutes we'll have done the rest of them.